children, it's dictation time. So get your dictation paper or your notebook and your pencil. Number one, listen carefully. Dad, dad. Dad is for daddy. Dad is in in a rush rush. Number one, the whole sentence is Dad is in a rush. And don't forget to give a dot. Okay. Are you done, children? Dad is in a rush. Number two. Number two is my. My is a sight word. Do you remember? Letter M and letter Y. My. My. Pet. 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 Pet is an animal that you can keep at home. My pet has a rash rash rash. My pet has a rash. And give a dot. Yes. Number three. Number three is mom. Mom is for mommy. Mom is in the is a sight word. You remember? T-H-E. I can spell the. The shop. Shop. So the whole sentence is Mom is in the shop. Shop. Okay, now number three. Number three is I have. How do we write have, children? Have is a sight word. I have H A V E. I have a shell, shell, shell. You have double L. Shell. I have a shell. That's for number 4. And the last one, children. Number 5. The sight word the, T-H-E. I can spell the. Dress, dress, the dress, 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 double S. Has, a sash, sash. The sentence is the dress has a sash. Now it's your turn. If you're done, children, you can show it to me. Okay? And tidy up your worksheet or your notebook and your pencil. And see you again next time. Bye!